Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the shop secret in Avatar World. So here, if you click on the weather in here at the top, you'll see there are three options: sunny, rainy, and also snowy. So here my current weather is on sunny. So if you go to these little shops right here, as you guys can see, the clothes are like ordinary clothes like this. But if you change the weather, so let's go back and change the weather into snowy, this one in here, and let's go back to the shop. Now the clothes have changed into winter clothes like this. So that's a little secret in Avatar World, in the shop in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.